liked it. And this is not the same window, this is another one. This one I will show you some other thing. And of course you can try it. If you have such window and you are living in a city, a crowded city, you can see the crowd outside from the window. The road is there. So in that case, you do not get enough space for growing green and making your garden. So in that, not even a big balcony. The balcony I have is also quite small. Okay, I have plants there. I'll just show you someday everything. So in that case, you can definitely utilize the window space that you have, and you can have some plants of your choice, some flowering plants, some microgreens. Easily you can grow microgreens, and you don't need you do not need soil for growing your microgreen. That also I will share with you someday. That thing also I'll show you. So this is just an idea that I shared with you, the way you can utilize your window space. So this much for today. Take care, stay fine, bye, and I will be coming back with something new next time.